Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how to get money using Honeygain, and I am using also this application. It is a very easy steps. They will pay you a money for using. You can also tell that it can all it can only pay you when you are connected to the internet or or mobile data or Wi-Fi. So if you see in here, I have $5.10, and you will get $5 if you follow all the steps correctly. Let's get into the video. Before let's we proceed to the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, please like. First, we have to use a browser. We can use Chrome, Samsung Internet, Firefox, etc. You use what you need, and we will type in here, which is Honeygain. Honeygain. And the first website is the true website. There are other application like Honeygain, and they are false. You can download only the true application in their website, which is called www.honeygain.com. So please follow all steps correctly, and we will get into their sites. And if you see, I have signed in here. If you do not sign in here, I have already signed in here, so I do not have to sign in again. And the Honeygain is you can, as you see, Honeygain is, it will pay you a money for using internet, which is Wi-Fi, or and you can download the application in here, and you can sign up in here. Let's show you when signing in. For you first, it will come like this. So accept all, or like this, accept all or accept selected. You can click any of that you like it doesn't matter. And in here, it is a very needed step. You now new to Honeygain, here is a $5 gift. They have a gift, if you see, and register and get $5. Register and get $5. So please register in here. Then we will click registration button, and we will register. And you will get $5. Enter your email in here and your password in it, and then you will get into your account. And after signing in, you will select this page, and you will have $5 in here. You have $5, but you can withdraw the money when it reaches $20. You can withdraw it by PayPal or Payoneer. It can be. And if you want to work in here, we have to have the application to have another end. But if you have a referrals, it's better. And if you have a referrals, it's better. But we use application by downloading the button, as I showed you. Download for Android. Then I do not know about for iOS, but I see only downloading for Android. Then if in downloading the Android button, then you will see like this. Yes, in here the application is like this, Honeygain, and we will open it. Opening the app, and you will, and by entering the application, and we can see a lot of transaction history, and etc, and we can get money like this, and we will start the money like this. And if we enter the application, it will start in here like this. It is active, it will be activated, and it will collect the megabytes that are transformed to others. Honeygain, if Honeygain is works, is paid, Honeygain will give you a money because they use your Wi-Fi or internet connections, like VPN. So if other persons uses this your data or Wi-Fi, it will pay you. So it's better using like this. Thank you for today, and if you like the video, like the button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.